you have a couple hundred channels with your new streaming TV service, you may find it challenging to scroll through dozens of channels to get to the one that you'd like to watch. So just like your old school remote control, you can enter a channel number with your Apple remote to get right to the channel that you want to watch without scrolling. And here is how you do it. From the on-screen channel guide, simply press the center of your remote ring twice to open up a channel number pad. From here, press the left or right side of your remote ring to highlight the number of the channel you want to watch. If it is more than one number, after a number is highlighted, press the center of your remote and continue until you have completed your channel number selection. Then press the bottom of your remote ring to highlight Done, and press the center of your remote ring to highlight that channel in your program on-screen guide. Then just press Play Pause on your remote. Now you can use your microphone for an even faster way to access specific channels by following the instructions for opening up the channel number pad. And then press and hold the Apple remote microphone button and say the channel number like this: 147. Then follow the same instructions and you're watching TV in seconds without scrolling through the commercials.